I'm very sorry I came late. I had some not feeling well, man. Okay, ready? All ready? Just give me an indication that you all are there. Yeah, come on. Yeah, start. Second problem. Problem. The first column. Good morning, everybody. Give a nice big smile. I'm sorry, I was not feeling well. I think I overslept. I'm sorry, class. Wasn't feeling so well. No, I don't have a cold. Don't worry. I did some housework and I was very tired. I think I overslept. I'm truly sorry. It will never happen again. Okay? Come on. Now, smile, please. Yes, write down. Find the economic life. Find the economic life. Good morning, all of you. Of a machine. Find the economic life of a machine which was purchased for rupees 12,000. Which was purchased for rupees 12,000. The interest rate is 0%. The interest rate is 0%. So you have to write 3 rows and there are 8 years. So you have 9 columns. The first column or row heading is end of the year. The first column or row is end of the year. End of the year. Alright? The first column or row is end of the year and you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 years. All understood? Next column, that is next row heading, you have to write operation cost. Class, there are 4 rows. Okay, not 3, 4 rows. The second one you have to write operation cost. Now I will give you the operation cost for 8 years. Already 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Did you get it? The second row heading is operation cost and the in thousands it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. Is that clear? Third column, third row heading is maintenance cost. Do quickly, I want to do at least one problem. I know I'm late. Maintenance cost. Maintenance cost is 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, 5,000, 5,500 and finally 6,000. I repeat, maintenance cost values are 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000. Ready? Now the last row heading is salvage value. 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 2,500, 1,000. I repeat class, salvage value is 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 2,500 and 1,000. Ready? See, the book has made a mistake. The economic life of the machine purchased, no, it's not 12,000, make it 12,200 like in the previous problem. Alright? Now write solution. You write the heading as table showing the replacement time of the machine. Table showing the replacement time of the machine. Seven columns. The first column, write quickly, end of the year, N. Thin column because only single digits are coming there. End of the year in brackets N, and in that you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Next column you write manufacturing cost. Right? Finished? Manufacturing cost. What you have to do is you must add operation cost plus maintenance cost. Second column you write manufacturing cost, and that will be operation cost plus maintenance cost. Look into your problem. The first year it is 2,000 plus 2,500. Right there, 4,500. I repeat, in the problem you have operation cost and maintenance cost. So manufacturing cost will be operation cost and maintenance cost. Add the row 2 and row 3. So first you have 4,500, then you have 6,000, please write quickly, 7,500, 9,000, 10,500, 12,000, 13,500 and 15,000. Class, the second column, see this is different, I'll explain tomorrow. Second column is manufacturing cost, and I have added operation cost plus maintenance cost. Operation cost is the second row given in the problem. Maintenance cost is the third row given in the problem. Okay. Next, you write total running cost. Total, make it, since we are accumulating the second column, make it total manufacturing cost. Alright, make it total manufacturing cost, and you will have guessed right, like I have taught you in the previous problem, cumulative of the second column. The first, understood, no? Add. Excuse me, 4,500. 4,500 plus 6,000 becomes 10,500. Go on. 18,000. 27,000. 37,500. 49,500. Then it is 63,000. And the final one is 78,000. What have I done? Column 3 is the cumulative of column 2. $4,500, $10,500, $18,500, $27,000, $37,500, $49,500, $63,000. Alright. Now next you write salvage cost, that is salvage value is the third column. You salvage, you write it as S of T. Write it as S of T and copy the salvage values. The salvage values are 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 2,500 and 1,000. Ready? Next you have to do C minus S of T. You remember what we did last time? C minus S of T. So C is 12,000 plus, see the book has made mistake in saying it is 12,000. Then they have written C is equal to 2,000, 12,200. Again they have taken the value as 12,000. So sorry class, the C is 12,000 only. Alright. C is 12,000 only, not 12,200. Somehow the book has printed, there's a printing mistake. I'm very sorry about it. C is 12,000 only. Alright. So you have C minus S of T. C is 12,000. S of T here is 8,000. So you will get 4,000. 12,000 minus 8,000, 4,000. 12 minus 7, 5,000. 12 minus 6,000, 6,000. 12 minus 5,000, 7,000. 12 minus 4, 8,000. 12 minus 3 and a half, 8,500. 12 minus 2 and a half, 7,000. So, how much is 12 minus 2 and a half? Is it 2 and a half? Yeah, 2 and a half. 9,500. 12 minus 1,000, 11,000. Check again. 12 minus 8, 4. 12 minus 7, 5. Minus 6, 6. 7,000. 8,000. 3,500 is 8,500. 2,500 is 9,500. And 1,000 means 11,000. All done. Next you write total cost. T is equal to C minus S of T plus summation of F of T. Meaning class, I'll show you. T minus S of T is the previous column. Okay. Is the previous column. Okay. And then your total cost is C minus S of T, that is previous column, plus the third column where we did the cumulation. So the first one will be 4 plus 4,500. I repeat, column number 3 was total manufacturing cost, that was the cumulative values. So here we do C minus S of T is already there in the previous column. So the first one will be 4 plus 4,500. So you will get 8,500. The previous column plus 3 column. Okay. Next you will get 6 plus 5, 11,000. Next you will get 6 plus 7,500, 13,500. 7 plus 9 is 16,000. Wait class, I'll repeat. 4 plus 4,500 is 8,500. What I'll do is, I name it as column 3 and name this as 4, 5. So I name it as column 3 and column 5. You have to add column 3 and column 5. So we will do it again. 4 plus 4,500, 8,500. 10,000 plus 5,000 is 10,500 plus 5,000 is 15,500. I'm sorry class. 18,000 plus 6,000 is 24,000. 27,000 plus 7,000 is 34,000. 37,500 plus 8,000 is 45,500. 49,000 plus 8,500 is 58,000. 63,000 plus 9,500 is 72,500, isn't it? 63 plus 10 would have been 73 minus 5, 72,000. 78,000 plus 11,000 is 89,000. I'll repeat the values. This column values are 8,500, 15,500, 24,000, 34,000, 45,500, 58,000, 72,500 and 89,000. Are you good? Okay. Last is average cost. That is T, the capital T minus divided by N. That is the previous column divided by the number of years. So the first column will be 8,500 divided by 1, 8,500. Next column will be 15,500 divided by 2, it will be 7,750. Third column is 24,000 divided by 3, 8,000. Next is 34,000 divided by 9. I think you get 8,500. Okay. Then 10,000, 45,500 divided by 45,500. I think the book says 9,100. If it is wrong, tell me. 58,000 divided by 12,000. 9666.67. 72,500 divided by 13,500. Please work out. 89,000 divided by 15,000. Just give me a moment. I'll just check. Class, our problem is over. Okay. 8,500 divided by 1 is 8,500. 15,500 divided by 2 is 7,750. 24,000 by 3 is 8,000. 34,000 by 4 is 8,500. 45,500 divided by 5. 45,000 divided by 5 is 9,000. Next, 58,000 divided by 6 is 9666.67. Then you have 72,500 divided by 7. 10,000, wait, I'll repeat it. 72,500 divided by 7. You will get 10,357.14. Then you will get 89,000 divided by 8 is equal to 11,125. I'll repeat the values. Sorry, I haven't written very neatly. 8,500. If anybody wants to take a pic, I'm holding it straight. Please take. The values are 8,500, 7,750, 8,000, 9,000, sorry, 8,000, 8,500. Then you have 9,000, 9,666.67. Then you have 10,357.14. Then you have 11,125. Which is the least minimum cost? It is in the second year, isn't it? So at the end of the second year, this machine has to be changed. Alright? Now class, the time up, I think someone else is taking class. Listen, there are, yesterday night actually I slept late, I was browsing, trying to get you some case study on this replacement. Sorry, I did get, but that takes a lot of time to give. I will see when I can give. Now see class, listen carefully. There are two cases when a machine needs to be replaced. Usually what a company says, I have so many machines, say I have 12 machines, I'm going to make a replacement policy. If I've bought it in the year 2000, in 2007 or 2010, I need to change all of them. So I will create a fund, and in 2010, I will change all the machines. Then after 2010, they decide in 2010, no, the machines have to be changed in 2019. These machines have only 9 years life, so they will create funds ready, and in 2019 the machines will be disposed of and the same. So this is a planned situation where a group of machines will be changed after a set period of time. But what happens if one of the machines fail? Then, if one of the machines fail, it has to be replaced. Then this is called individual replacement policy. So in this chapter, we are doing two types of issues. One is group replacement policy, where you have a group of machines which is pre-planned and everything, and you find out when the group of machines has to be changed. But sometimes one of them can fail. So if the machine fails, then you naturally have to, it's like, you have to replace it. So when you replace it, it is called individual replacement policy. So once again I'm saying, in this chapter, the problem falls in two categories. One is group replacement policy, and when the machines fail, any one machine fails, it is called individual replacement policy. So here is my problem. Once again, what I have done. Okay, class, I think you have to log out and you have to go to the other. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I tried a lot. I did a lot of housework, so I was tired. Otherwise, also I do. But yesterday I did a lot of cleaning on Sunday, and yesterday I was little tired, so I overslept. I'm very sorry. I got up and I slept again. I fell asleep. I'm sorry. And secondly, I was browsing till about 3 o'clock to get some case study for you. Unfortunately, I'm not available. It's not available, but in my next class, I'll give you a theory class for the first little time about how these things work. Today there is no time, it's 11 o'clock. I have to say bye. I'm sorry, class, I miss you. I would have loved to take another class. What I'm trying, I'll tell you is, please remember on Thursday I have a class and I will be there sharp at 9:15. Listen carefully. On Thursday, all of you log in at 9:15. I want to make up for the time I lost today. Of course, I've done a lot of classes before, but that's not the excuse for losing today's time. I'm very sorry. Okay, I think I'm getting old, that I need to sleep when I do some work. I'm very, very sorry. And then what you do is, on Thursday I will log in at 9:15 without fail. Please log in. I want to give you some theory class on why replacement happens, because it's very necessary. Just doing problems in OR makes not a whole lot of sense, and then I'll do the problem. Okay, class, I need to say bye. Say bye to me. You have another class, I think, at 11. I'm sure you have. Yes, Rashid, you're there from Afghanistan. Yeah, and with all of you. Bye then. Take care. Say bye to me. How I wish I could take. But remember, Thursday I'm coming on at Nagma. Thursday I'm coming on at 9:15, and I will make up for the class that I lost. All right. Please remember, Thursday it is 9:15. All ready? Say bye, man. You have to go for another class, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. No, I will. No, what I'll do is I'll wind up now, but I can come earlier. Okay, 9:15 then. Bye, class. Love you, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Bye, everyone. I've done something. I can't see myself. Bye. Keep smiling, everybody. Okay. Keep smiling. God bless. Be strong. Be brave. Keep in touch with me. God bless all of you. Be strong. Stay strong. Stay inside the house. Staying inside the house means you're the strongest. Getting comfortable with yourself is one of the most beautiful things in life. All right? Stay strong. Love you all. Jai Hind. Jai Karnataka. Yeah.